Hey YouTubers, Glynda here. Just wanted to make this real quick video about the ripping and splitting sounds that I heard in the spirit realm. I posted that and got quite a bit of response to it. And I was praying about it last night, and the Lord only told me one thing. He said that it's something that's coming to the earth. He said, I have warned my people, now the events must happen. I posted this on the Wings of Prophecy Facebook page and got a tremendous amount of comments to it. Other people who had seen visions about it or heard things or heard the same thing in the spirit. So if you're interested in following up, go to the Wings of Prophecy Facebook page. But I just wanted to share that with y'all. Thanks for watching. God bless you. I pray that you have a really great week and stay safe in this weather. Bye now.